Hi guys, my name is Lee, solo traveler, hotelier at 15 years ng OFW sa Singapore at ito ang kwento ko for today's video. Last December nga ay last minute ba nung pinaklear ang leave ko dahil may enough manpower na daw. At dahil wala tayong araw na gustong sayangan I decided to fly to Taipei, Taiwan agad-agad as in now na. So after hours of planning everything, diretso na agad tayo sa number 1 airport in the whole wide world, ang Changi Airport. So gumala muna tayo sa Jewel at Changi kung saan makikita ang Vortex Fountain o ang Giant Imbudo. I dine in at Penang Culture and I got this Muy Fan at $10.90 and Ampla Juice at $4.50. The Muy Fan was good, not as salty and spicy, but you have to finish it while it's hot. Otherwise, di na siya masarap pag lumamig. And the Ampla Juice was perfect. Lasa siyang hilaw na mangga na medyo maasim. Sarap siguro nito kung dagdagan pa ng bagoong char. Nakaka-excite dahil mamayang umaga around 6 AM na nasa Taiwan na nga tayo. I don't have much research about this place, pero ilaban na natin to for the last minute holiday. Kaya see you soon on my next vlog. So guys, follow and like for more naman dyan. Bye!